We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum. Right here. Six of the world. So, sheldon vision. My brain is better than everybody. Sheldon style.
Come on, turn around. Let's eat your butt. There you go. There you go. There you go. This little kitten, when I found it, was taken too long away from its mother. Way too soon. Come on. Come on, Lucky. Call it Lucky because he got a second chance. He's still being bottle fed. But he is so interactive with people, as you can tell. He's a wrestler. Yes, he is. He loves toys. And he loves animals. He's fearless. He knows no fear. Literally tried to climb a wall. Hi, baby. Now show him how pretty you are. Show him. There you are. He's a wrestler. Ah, and he got me. Come on, baby. Show the people how pretty you are, huh? There he is. That's the sweet thing. Come here. There you go. Now, is that the sweetest face? I say within 2 weeks. Aw, he'd be ready to go. So give me a call. My phone number is 215-607-5645. Go ahead, baby. Go play. Go play. Go play. Go get your toys. Where's your toys? Where's your toys? Again, it's 215-607-5645. Oh, found a string. He found a string. Hopefully I hear from you soon. Bye-bye.